Hey guys, my name is Alex Lamar. I just wanted to take a minute and show you guys our app and what we did and how we did it. The app is called the Scholar Calendar. The basic purpose is to provide an interface from Scholar to your Android device. What it does is it goes onto Scholar and it'll retrieve all of the assignments and quizzes that you have due for a given semester and interface them to this calendar that you guys can see right here. That way you just have one central location for every single assignment and every single quiz that you have upcoming and you have due. So what you can do is you have this calendar. If you want to see, you see all of the maroon highlighted dates. If you click on one of them, it'll launch an activity, which takes a while because this is the emulator. Emulators are slow. Obviously, you guys have all been working with this, and you all know it sucks. Okay, sorry about that. It'll show you the assignment, when it's due, what class it's due for. Pretty simple, and you can obviously have multiple assignments on one day, and you'll see that if you just click on one that does have multiple assignments. I'm not sure which one's due. The other big feature of the app is that it'll set an alarm for you, a set number of hours before that assignment's due. So that way you don't have an assignment that sneaks up on you. You'll always know when you have something due, so you'll be able to turn it in. And we thought that would be incredibly useful to have. So that's pretty much the meat and bones of the app. How it works is it just interfaces with the Scholar server. This is a lot more complicated than it seems. You have to deal with the JavaScript, loading, browser interfacing, all of that stuff. The first time you wanna log in to your user, it's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes because this is where most of the JavaScript loading has to take place, and you do that through this pop-up here that we just loaded. But after that, our data model keeps track of most of the information that we need, and at that point you need a much lighter update. That only takes like 30 seconds. That's all run in the background, and we set that to run every, I think, 3 hours. So you'll every 3 hours you'll have an update that runs in the background. You don't even have to worry about it, and it'll check for any new assignments that have been added to Scholar for you. You can also change the user that you want to use to log into Scholar using this pop-up right here. And we also have the settings that allows you to set the number of hours before an alarm will be set. So right now we just have preset 1, 2, 3 hours, but we're planning on adding just, okay, notify me set number of hours, whatever you want, whether it's 6 hours, 24 hours, whatever. And maybe we'll add multiple alarms. We think that would be useful too. But we still have a long way to go before all of the features that we'd like to get are implemented, because this is obviously a pretty momentous project, and it takes a while to do all of this stuff. But right now we're pretty happy with what we've got going. So that's pretty much it. If you guys like this, we may or may not put it on the Google Store. We'll probably be more likely to put it on the Google Store if you guys vote us for best app. So think about that. And thanks, guys.